Why we always want things according to us? Why we don't want to accept things as they are? If anything is not according to us, we try to change it. Why? I have seen so many people who just don't accept things. I mean, why it is so hard to accept things as they are? We don't accept our flaws easily. We try to fake perfections and things we are not good, like understanding, being rational, studies, a particular skill set, expressing feelings, etc. etc. Two major factors of not accepting reality: one is ego, second is what other people will think, right? By not accepting things, we make our life more complicated. We should accept things and move on. If we try to accept the reality, I think half of the problems of our life will get solved on its own. Everyone is not good in everything, and we don't accept that. For example, if we get fail in exam, we don't tell people. Why? Just because what they will think. If we lose in any game, simply we don't accept it. We try to blame people or make excuses. If someone is genuinely better than us, we don't accept. We try to pin them down. We don't share our failures, we don't share our losses, we don't accept our mistakes. Why? Just what other people will think. See, people will talk about you whether you do good or bad. And when you know people will talk, let them talk. There are 7 billion people in whole world to talk. किस को रोकोगे? It's not your job to stop people from talking. You did something, you get results. It's not your job to think what people will think. Your job is to accept that result. Whether it's good, bad, pass, fail, positive, negative, just learn to accept. When you accept things, you learn from it. You don't hold on it for longer. You let things go. And it is very important in our life to let things go. And you not accepting anything not gonna change the reality. You will just try to please yourself by making any random excuses. And when you accept things, you gain confidence on your own self. Accepting is very positive in nature. When you start accepting your losses, your flaws, your wins, then what other people say really doesn't matter. Whether you are short, tall, thin, dark, ugly, fair, doesn't matter. You should be accepting yourself. You just need to find a way to make peace with things you don't like. If you want to change anything, then change for your own greater good. Not because of what world around you thinks. Sometimes life will put you in certain situations. You just need to accept it and act accordingly. But then our useless ego says, oh, it's my life. It will be according to me. I won't be according to it. I agree. But this doesn't work every time. You need to put your useless ego aside. Sometimes you need to mold yourself accordingly for your own greater good. So this is it. Try to accept things in your life which bothers you and see how it feels. Do check out my other videos. If you like, share them with your friends.